What's up everybody? This is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Let's turn this boring pasta dish into something exciting. Today we are making an avocado sauce. It is so tasty. I love it. I love it. So I hope you love it as much as I do. We're gonna start with, of course, the avocado. This is another blender recipe because you know how awesome they are. They go together so fast. So remove the seed, remove the avocado from its shell. This goes together so quickly and it's super tasty. Delicious awesomeness. All right, there's the first half. Let's get in the second part. Now, after this goes in, all right, it's just a couple of ingredients. After this goes in, you're gonna put in about 2 cups of broccoli. This is where everything really begins to move along. You got the salt and pepper to your taste. And you can taste that once it goes back into the pan, goes into a pan to heat up. That was the nutritional yeast. Then you're gonna add in, this is a ginger and garlic paste mix. If you don't want the ginger, don't add it, but I do like the flavor of the ginger. It kind of brightens things up, if you know what I mean, in the sauce. It's very nice. And then my favorite part is the coconut milk. So I'm gonna add about a cup of that now, and then I'm gonna add more once we begin to heat it up in the pan. Let's mix. Let's turn on the blender first. Okay, so now we're gonna add it to a pan and heat it up, add a little bit more coconut milk, and if need be, maybe a little bit more salt. Let's go. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, like I said, is add the coconut milk, and it's up to you. I'm gonna probably use the whole can, but it's up to you, depending on how thick you want the sauce to be. It's so good. One of the reasons that I use coconut milk is it aids the avocado in creating this beautifully smooth and luscious sauce. It's so great. I love it. I added a little bit more salt, and as you can see, I added some dill and some fresh tomatoes to it as well, cherry tomatoes. It's so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I upload new, tasty, smooth, and awesome, delicious videos just like this one. Remember guys, love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.